Yüzlerinde güneşin tatlı yansıması. Kapalı perdeler yok, kapalı kapılar yok. Asi nehri gibi çağlayan küçük adımların büyük sesini duy. Çünkü bu mutluluğun ritmi. Hatay Doğa Koleji sizlerle.
Oh yeah, man. Street dances all over the world. Yeah, yeah. You know what you gotta do. Word. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Oh yeah. The turntable spins using new ability, agility that wins. And then your crew got burned. To be the master of the craft, you gotta practice to learn, kid. The street dancer breaks with 1990s and the 80s paved the way for the days. Speed boys emulating the greats like Fortress Freeze, crazy like dynamic breakers with shaking. Let's dance to the beat of the drummer that's funky. Way before the beats was bugging on French funky hip hop. New cruises, Foxy Enchilada, and the bossy DJing was Africa Vampire. Walk back to the Bronx, cool hurt the innovator. DJing sound systems, toasting in Jamaica. Got hosted, the host with the most of money maker. Now I'm moving bricks, but I started out as a breaker. The turntable spins, brothers cautious, listening to Bob James Norris, and of course James Brown, funky drummer the sound in the summer, before you saw the hustler in the Hummer. Yeah, and a few years later Melly Mel changed up his gear, switched the game up, the gangs of New York C's banging for beat, once the whole 5 girls break dancing up in the street. Yeah, the turntable spins, the DJ and MC coincide like twins, the crowd rings, cause they know what they came to hear. Looking for what you wear, uniform in the fresh gear, hip-hop was visible and heard by many, a backdrop all mule in the park with graffiti. Dancers, rappers, original, not phony men, with breakage like we pads on linoleum.
And take you moving, I can keep it like it now. And take position when you move, we just spin around. And take your time to shine all the afternoon. Take dance all over the world.
Yo, you catch it back on the floor, hey. Yo, you catch it back on the floor, hey. Yo, you catch it back on the floor, hey. Yo, you catch it back on the floor, hey. Yo, you catch it back on the floor, hey. Yo, you catch it back on the floor, hey. Yo, you catch it back on the floor, hey. Yo, you catch it back on the floor.
I can keep it like it now. And take position when you move, we just spin around. And take your time to shine all the afternoon. Take dance all over the world.
Gotta shout out the Garden of Eden, New York City, where the hip hop began. To all my breakers, poppers, rockers, DJs, MCs, all my graffiti artists in France, New York, London, LA, every city across the world. We gotta shout you out. Without you, we are nothing.